unpopular opinion, guys. I might like these better than the leather ones. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And if you haven't, check out my review on the leather Ajko 1 Union LA joints. This here is the canvas one. Now, popular belief, these ones are a little less popular than the leather ones. And I get it. You're always going to choose leather over canvas. But man, I like the way Union put these together better than I do like the leather ones. Now the leather ones, super dope. That leather is soft, beautiful leather. But the canvas ones is more of a cool look in my opinion, man. Again, far as retail, $150. I think you could get these for like $156, $160. So right there where that retail is compared to the leather joints here, same retail price, right? Yeah, I think the same retail price, but these is about $175 to $180 on the market. I already showed y'all an in-depth 4K review on the leather ones, so it's time for the suede ones. Canvas ones. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. Union gets an A1 for the presentation, man. At the top, you get a big, back in the days, 90 wrap chain, gold chain with a Jordan logo, big piece on the bottom. All the bells and whistles over here. The Union logo glows. The Jordan logo glows. Dope. It reads Ajko 1 Low SP, white, neutral, gray, sail. I don't remember seeing white on the leather one. So, like I told y'all, it kind of, it's a difference. Got the same logo on the box, on the tissue paper. And both sneakers are individually wrapped, man. I love it. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So here's a 360 view of the Ajko Union canvas joints. Now, I believe they are the same color far as the box, right? But these look all white, like some all white up, some all white Air Force Ones. But I like the canvas. I mean, the leather quality is beautiful on the leather ones. But I like this canvas look. Instead of the blue navy swoosh that comes with the leather joints, you get a gray one here. Same great material. When you open or take off the Velcro, you get that same Union LA look in the inside. I think that's dope. So on the canvas pair, you get a gray shoelaces, blue swooshes. Now, we could agree the blue swooshes on this one is better than the leather ones also. I like this blue. It's not your regular navy blue. It's more that turbo blue, or what they was calling it, hyper royal blue. You still get the Union LA logo there. And everything is just canvas. The Jordan 1 wing logo is the same here. Same material. Only thing changes from the leather to the canvas is what it says, the leather and the canvas. But I kind of like these better. The bottom has like a gray outsole. I'm really digging that better than the leather joints also. So I don't know, man. There's a lot of keys here that make me feel like this sneaker is better than the leather one. As far as the tongue stays the same. Gray. Got your yellow stitching look. So everything stays the same as far as that. The inside changes. Instead of that sand looking colorway you get in the leather one, You get that nice gray that you see on the outsole of the sneaker. Let me know after y'all see this review if I change your mind a little bit about the canvas joints, man. These canvas ones is all right, man. I guess people hear canvas and they get a little like scared because whenever a Jordan 1 has like an all canvas look, I be nervous too, man. But I think Union did a pretty good job on this one. Don't get me wrong, leather ones is A1 premium, but these canvas joints is not a bad second price prize if you couldn't get this one, man. Let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.